So in software engineering, we learn different methodologies, models, techniques, and tools that we apply in constructing and maintaining systems based on requirements. Basically, through software engineering, we will be able to properly manage cost, flexibility, and reliability of the software we create.
In being a good software engineer, you need to possess a good personality, character, and diligence at work. Being a good software engineer is not easy. You oftenly encounter problems with your teammate in many projects. Being cooperative and having trust with your teammate is very important. Also, having a desire to finish the project perfectly is what being a software engineer like. In the field of software engineering, there are various fields you can specialize in, such as a database designer or a developer who works on a designs and implements computer databases for the collection, protection, and analysis of data. A web designer's duty is to cover all aspects of creating a website. Upon meeting with clients and assessing their needs, creating and maintain the product. Mobile developers are specialized in mobile technology, such as building apps for Google's Android, Apple's iOS, and Microsoft Windows Phone platforms. And in for myself, who specializes in graphic manipulation, my best course is being a web developer. In developing a good software, first, you must consider first the customer. Customer first means focusing from a customer perspective on a real value for the product being developed. Other aspects such as contracts, requirements, technologies should take a secondary role in the project. Second is the code quality. Even though code quality is something very subjective, it drives many important aspects as how hard is to maintain the application or how hard is to take on board a new developer. In my own opinion, the main indicators for code quality are simplicity, readability, robustness, and testability. Other qualities as performance or extensibility, if not required, will over-engineer your application. Third is the continuous integration. Continuous integration is the process that guarantees that every piece of code committed is automatically integrated in the system. Remember that continuous integration goes beyond continuous compilation. Fourth is the iterations. Iterations provide continuous feedback. Continuous feedback is important because it reduces the amount of uncertainty in the software development. And lastly is to avoid waste. Waste accounts is one of the major productivity killers in software development. Unnecessary meetings, unnecessary requirements, unnecessary processes, unnecessary documentation being some of the most common and dangerous.
Being a software engineer requires constant learning. So for you to be able to cope with your clients, you have to commit to learning new stuff and new technologies to provide your clients. So you always have to commit to learning and also your schedules to finish your software.